Yo, what you saying? Today I'm gonna show you how to do something like this on your iOS 14 home screen. I've seen this was a trend going around, and I couldn't really find the correct video, so I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna just make my own. So yeah, this takes about like 2 hours to do. I ain't gonna lie, more than 2 hours actually, cause with everything. But once you get it looking like this, you'll be set. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so basically I switched my phone, and yeah, so what you want to do is go into photos and pick pictures for your theme. So the usual theme is gonna be red, blue, green, white, yellow, and that's pretty much all of them. So yeah, have two of each. So this is gonna be my header, and this is gonna be my side. For example, these are the pictures that I chose, just some aesthetic stuff. But yeah, make sure you put all of them in separate groups. All of them in separate. Don't put them in the same one because that won't work. So yeah, after that, go into settings, go into wallpaper, go stills, and go black. Set home screen. By the way, don't forget to remove everything from your groups, if that makes sense. From here, what you're gonna want to do is go to Widgetsmith, and for small, set all of them up. So just do this real quick. Once you're into here, go scroll down until you see custom, and then photo and album. Just click allow to all photos, doesn't really matter. And then click that, scroll down until you find which one you want. So I'm gonna just do this one as my first, save, and then keep doing that for every single one that you've saved as your side. Or it's small, but I just called it side.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
So then for medium widgets, which is going to be your top, you want to edit that as well. That, go down, custom photos and album, and then yeah, get started on it. So yeah, once you've done all this, once you've saved them all into your groups, as I did right here, uh, just get out of that, and then from here is where you're actually gonna get started. So hold one of these down, edit home screen, and then click the plus right here at the top right. Go all the way down to Widgetsmith, add medium, click it, widgets, and for the first one we're gonna have it as red. So redhead, there you go. Another one right here, Widgetsmith, and this one we're gonna have it as blue because we're just built different. This one all the way down, Widgetsmith, and this one we will have it after you've done all this. You're gonna want to add another one, but this time instead it's gonna be the small one. So small, put that right there. And for this one, we're gonna change it to the red. because we're doing red theme. So there we go. Blue. And yeah. So once you have all this down, literally from here, it's nothing but just putting them in color coordination. So I will do that and then I will be back to show you the final result. But yeah, everybody, this is the final product after I think an hour. This is what it finally looks like, you know, color coordinated and everything. I added a few more colors and pictures just so it looks better, but yeah, this is what I have. This is green, yellow, white, purple, and then from here is just a bunch of things. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, uh do whatever you want. Peace out.